Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Advance Aquaclean 18 FLX carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you need to replace the belt for your brush roll. Fairly simple how to do this. Step one, you're going to want to open up the tank from the base so that we can get the belt cover off. Step two, we're going to go ahead and remove the brush roll. Just like that. Now you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill with a Phillips head bit. You're going to remove these 3 Phillips screws, and that will expose the belt. Take the cover off, and there's your belt. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the cover plate at the bottom here. Just pops off. So now we need to get the belt off of the motor pulley. Get a flathead screwdriver and pry it off of there. Just like that. And now we can pull the bearing block out from the bottom. Just like that, and that is how you take off your old damaged belt. Now to reinstall it, just reverse the steps, get your new belt, put it on the pulley on the bottom half, slide the belt up through, just like that. Make sure it's on your pulley down here at the bottom. And now we have to reattach it to the motor pulley. Get your flathead screwdriver, and just how you took it off is how you want to put it back on. Just like that. Make sure it spins freely and it's nice and tight. Now we can put your belt cover back on. Put your bottom cover back over the bottom part of the belt. Get your brush and put your brush back on there. Just like that, and then the last step, you want to close the tank to the base and put those 7/16 bolts back in, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.